Hey, buddy. Luke, look. Luke. Where's my little guy? Hey, buddy. There's a little guy. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Yeah, should we go see what Anna and Michael are doing? Go see. Michael! What are you doing, buddy?
I'm helping.
Helping what? Anna, what are you doing?
I'm helping picking up the leaves. And my favorite superhero is Wonder Woman. And my favorite. Can I see Michael?
You can see. Michael, your face is disgusting. What do you have all over it? Cookies?
No.
What is it?
It's clean.
It's clean? Anna, show us your leaves. Yeah? It's a little bit cold out. You need a jacket, don't you? Alright, there's Mommy.
Say hi, Luke.
Whoa, buddy, calm down. Alright, bye-bye, buddy.